Hello students, I am Dr. Shankar. Now we will discuss about the past year questions in thermodynamics. Initially, I'll explain detailed solution for this question and then I'll give shortcut to solve the question. Okay. Now students, in this question, the temperature entropy diagram. So temperature entropy diagram of a reversible engine. The given figure, it's efficiency. What asking in the question? Efficiency. Okay. Efficiency general formula eta is equal to W by Q. Another one formula 1 minus Q2 by Q1. So we can use two formula 1 by 1. First W by Q. Okay. Efficiency equal to work done by gas divided by heat supplied. This is a general formula. It's equal to W by Q. Okay. In this diagram, what is in this diagram? In this diagram, this is a diagram. Okay. P naught, S naught, 2 S naught. Here T naught, 2 T naught. This is A, B, C. Okay. First, draw the work done by the gas. Work done by the gas means TS diagram. Area under the curve. Area under the curve BC. And then total area under the line BC. Line BC. Okay. First, area under the curve ABC is of BH, area of triangle of BH, of into AC into AB. Okay. And then of what is the total area under the line BC? Line BC is a triangle and then one rectangle AC into AD. Okay. First A, C and D. This point is D. Okay. This point is D. This point is E. Okay. This area and then this one. This is the area under the line BC. Okay. AC into AD plus of AC into AB. General form. Okay. Then here this is the value of AD. What is the value of AD? T naught. AD equal to T naught. And then AB is also T naught. Also T naught. So you substitute the value AB is equal to AD. Okay. Instead of AD, you substitute the value AB. So of AC into AB divided AC into AB plus of AC into AB. Then of AC AB divided by what is the value? 3 by 2 AC into AB. AC, AB cancel, 2 to cancel, then 1 by 3 and 33.33% is the efficiency of engine. Eta equal to 1 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3. Okay. We can calculate the value of efficiency by using the another one formula. Okay. The same diagram but in another value. For example, okay, here S0 is 100, sorry 500, here 1000, here 100 Kelvin, here 200 Kelvin. Same formula, same diagram, but instead of letter, the values are given in the question. This here is S0, this is 2S0. Here T0, this is 2T0. Same pattern, A, B, C. Okay. Using efficiency is equal to 1 minus Q2 by Q1. That is heat loss divided by heat gained. Okay. What is the area under ST? ST gap is Q. If it is y axis temperature, x axis entropy, then area under the graph is Q. T into S is Q. Okay. Area TS gives Q. So what is the Q value? Q1 for this is the Q1, the Q2, the Q3. It is Q1 is equal to triangle of BH of T0 S0. This is of T0 S0, triangle of BH, base S0, height T0, TS S0, and then this is a value plus T0 into S0, rectangle. Okay, this is also 3 by 2 T0 S0. What is the value of Q2? Q2, this line, under this line area T0 S0, length into breadth. Okay, what is the Q3? No area, so 0. Substitute the values in the efficiency equation. We will get the answer. Eta equal to 1 minus T0 S0 divided by 3 by 2 T0 S0 is equal to 1 by 3. So T0 T0 cancel. 1 minus 2 by 3, this is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal to 33.33%. Okay, this is the efficiency of heat engine in the temperature entropy diagram. Okay, similar another one question we will discuss. Already discussed in part 1. Okay, what is the extract in the heat diagram? The question is part 1 question. One question is there. This is a V0. This is I think 2 V0. This is a P0. This is 2 P0. Okay. There they are asking extract heat. Okay. From the source. Now, what is the efficiency? A, B, C, D. Okay. What is the efficiency? In there, heat is equal to 13 by 2 P0 V0. Okay. How can we get Q value? Q is equal to heat given Q is equal to B to C, heat B to C plus heat A to B. Okay, this B to C is 5 P0 V0 Here A to B is 3 by 2 P naught V naught. For any doubt clarification, just you go see the video part 1 already given in the detailed solution. Part 1 is the 10 by 2 P naught V naught. Okay, this is a Q value for one cycle. Okay. What is the efficiency? W by Q. What is the work done? Work done is just area of PV. Work done formula, work done is equal to PV, that is P naught V naught. Okay, what is the work done? Here P naught V naught divided by 13 by 2 P naught V naught, cancel each other, then 2 by 13. What is the value of 2 by 13? 0.15. This is the efficiency of heat engine in PV diagram. Here PV diagram, not temperature entropy diagram. Okay, thank you students.